Alright, today we have a really nice free Lightroom preset named Nordic 160. We're going to take a look at that, and then we're going to jump into the Creative Flow, play around with some professional Lightroom presets and profiles, go through a number of images here, raw photos. Start with our first raw photo, ISO 125-34mm f/18. Let's go to our free preset. Here's before and here's after. Really nice cinematic film look. I'll put a link down below so you can download and try. We're going to go down to the film emulation folders, and with the FE collection, this mixes in some nice profiles. So this preset and profile is inspired by Agfa Portrait 160. Right here, really nice. Before, after, and we have an adjustable preset here. And we also have the profile, so you can intensify the look that way or mix any of the profiles together. I'm really happy with this look. Let's check out before and after. Here's before and here's after. These were all taken in Iceland. ISO 116mm f/11. There we go, before, after. All right, here we have our next raw image. ISO 128mm f/18. Go right here, and we're going to be using the same preset and profile, the Portrait 160, just so we get the same look throughout. And again, we can always tweak it here, but actually I'm just loving how these come out. Looks really great. There, we just drop the highlights a bit. Really like the moody look. It was a very moody day. Our next raw image here, I'm just adjusting the temperature. ISO 125-16mm f/18. Again, we are using the same preset and profile. Really awesome. Look at that. Maybe boost up the exposure a little bit. Looks great. Next raw image, ISO 121mm f/16. Same preset and profile. Look at that. Really great way to get a cohesive look for your images. Again, that was a quick look at the free Lightroom preset Nordic 160 and our professional Lightroom presets and profiles from the Creative Flow using the Agfa Portrait 160 inspired Lightroom preset and profile. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.